Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Most Curious. If you're new here, I'm Bilal Zafar, and today we are diving into a topic that has been on a lot of minds lately: how to learn coding for beginners. Whether you're looking to start a new career, pick up a valuable skill, or just satisfy your curiosity, coding is a fantastic choice. So let's break it down step by step. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, the first step to learning coding is choosing the right programming language. If you're a complete beginner, I'd recommend starting with Python. It's beginner friendly, versatile, and widely used in various fields from web development to data science. Python's syntax is clean and readable, making it a great choice for learning the basics of coding. You can easily find resources online to get started with Python. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, and Free Code Camp offer fantastic introductory courses. Next up, you need to get familiar with the basics of programming. This includes understanding concepts like variables, loops, conditionals, and functionals. These are the building blocks of coding that will help you in any language. Think of variables as storage containers for your data, loops as a way to repeat actions, conditionals for making decisions, and functions for grouping related tasks. Practice these concepts through small coding exercises and projects. Another crucial step is to practice, practice, practice. Try to work on small projects or coding challenges regularly. Websites like HackerRank, LeetCode, and Code Wars offer exercises that will help you hone your skills. You can also build simple projects to apply what you've learned. Start with something manageable, like a basic calculator, a to do list app, or even a simple game. These projects not only reinforce your learning but also give you a sense of accomplishment. Don't forget the power of community. Join coding forums, participate in online coding groups, or attend local meetups. Surrounding yourself with other learners and experienced developers can provide motivation, support, and valuable insights. Lastly, stay patient and persistent. Learning to code can be challenging at times, but don't get discouraged. Celebrate small victories. Keep pushing through difficulties, and remember, every coder started where you are now. That's it for today's video on how to learn coding for beginners. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave any questions or tips you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!